Hello everyone, my name's Lee, and in this video I'll be showing you how to fix the issue with the iPhone sending green text messages. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. If you usually send blue text messages through iMessage, but they have turned green, there is a difference between the two. Blue messages are sent through your phone's data and only work when both you and the other person have an Apple device. Green messages, on the other hand, are SMS messages or traditional messages sent through the carrier. If your messages have turned green, then there are a few reasons why this might have happened. It could be due to iMessages not actually working, the internet connection issue for either you or the other person, or other technical issues. To begin troubleshooting, let's check your internet speed. Open up Safari and type in speed test to run a quick speed test to ensure your internet is working properly. If your internet speed is faster than 5 to 10 megabytes per second, that should be sufficient for your messages to be sent in blue. Next, check whether the other person, if they have a good internet connection also. If they're on a plane, in a place with poor internet connection, or using an Android device, they may not be able to send or receive iMessages. If the issue persists, go to the settings, select messages. Now in the messages section, toggle off iMessages for around 10 seconds before toggling it back on. This can often fix the iMessage related issues. If the problem still exists, it's likely due to the other person's device or internet connection, and they may need to reset their iMessages. Once you've gone through these steps, try sending a message again. If it's still green, reach out to the other person and share these troubleshooting steps. I hope this was helpful. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.